Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the latest AirPods 4 from Apple and I'm going to tell you the best tips and tricks for these headphones. So as you can see here, I am in my settings, AirPods 4 settings, and for me the best feature in these headphones is head gestures. As you can see, if we scroll down, we can see head gestures over here. If we tap on it, we can enable them and we can manage accepting and replying with it and declining and dismissing. Apart from that, for me, the best option is personalized spatial audio. Using our face scan, our headphones can be different in our spatial audio features. Apart from that, for me, the best option we have is personalized volume, which adjusts the volume of media in response to our environment. Apart from that, very cool feature and very, for me, best tip for you is that to enter prank mode you have to double tap on this touch panel over here, which is under the LED light. Apart from that, the best top trick, the last top trick I will show you is that we have connection management in our settings itself. If we tap on it, we can manage if our headphones connect to our iPhone automatically or when they are last connected to this iPhone. So if we have our second iPhone, which is for example over here, and we want to be connected with the second iPhone, not our first iPhone, we can set it to when last connected to this iPhone. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.